Hello everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com, and this short video is intended to help explain support and resistance. A lot of beginning traders don't even know what is support and resistance, and then certainly don't know that there are actually three types of support and resistance. So let's just jump right into this. What is support and resistance? If you're a brand new trader and never heard that term, support and resistance are levels of previous price points. And that's all it is, okay? Currencies, commodities, stocks, they move from one level to the next level to the next level. And where they are moving is to a previous price point. Maybe a price point a week ago, a price point a month ago, a price point 3-6 months ago, a year ago, where the price came up to, consolidated, couldn't move any higher, and then reversed trend. Or the price came up to, consolidated, and broke above that price point. But support and resistance are levels of previous price points. Are these levels important? Absolutely. They're very important, because all currency pairs and all commodities move up or down from one level to the next level to the next level. No currency pair in an uptrend will just go to the moon. No currency pair or commodity in a downtrend will just go to the bottom of the ocean. They go from one level to the next level to the next level. They will go so far up and then consolidate, perhaps continue, or reverse trend, and vice versa if it's a downtrend. There are three types of support and resistance. One is a horizontal support and resistance, two is a trend line, and three is a moving average. The first two, horizontal and trend lines, the horizontal is just a horizontal line on your chart. Okay, the trend line is similar to a horizontal line except it's diagonal, and the moving averages are what we call dynamic support and resistance. Horizontal and trend lines are static because they stay in one place. Moving averages move with the price action. So horizontal lines, based on previous price points, if a currency is moving down, it will move down to the next support level. If a price is moving up, it will move to the next resistance level. Now you ask, why is that important? Okay, well, let's say there's something that you want to sell, all right, gold, for example, and it's moving down. Where is it going? It's going to the next support level. And if you want to buy gold because you see it moving up, and you ask yourself, well, okay, you buy, where is it going? It's going to the next resistance level. So the support and resistance levels are target areas for you. You could use those as target profit levels. And then you could take partial profit at a support or resistance level, or you could exit your trade at a support or resistance level. Trend lines work very, very similar to horizontal lines. A trend line is a line drawn over pivot highs or under pivot lows to show the prevailing direction of price. Trend lines, they're just a visual representation of support and resistance in any time frame. And you probably, even as a new trader, would have heard the slogan, the trend is your friend, and that is so absolutely true. There are three types of trends in trading: either an uptrend where the price is moving up, or a downtrend where the price is moving down, or a sideways trend. And this is something that's not tradable for a trend trader. I'm a trend trader, and I don't like sideways trends where the price is hardly moving up and hardly moving down. It's going sideways. Very, very difficult to make profit in a sideways trend. It can be done, but it's a specialized range trading type of trade that needs a little bit more expertise. For trend trading, we either trade in an uptrend or a downtrend. How you use the trend line? Well, it's used very similar to the horizontal lines that I've mentioned previously. Whereas if the price is moving down, it will go to the next level, the trend line, which is providing support. Or if the price is moving up, it will go up to the next trend line, the above, and we call that resistance. Here's a perfect example of a trend line channel that I've been trading over the last several weeks, and you can see very easily on the chart how it starts up here and then goes down to support, then it goes up to resistance, then it goes back down to support, goes back up to resistance, goes back down to support, etc. This type of trade is very easy to trade. That's why I love trading trends, and I use these trend lines and sometimes a trend line channel all the time. They're very useful, very functional. Then you have the dynamic support and resistance, which is moving averages, and they work the same except they move with the price action. We call them dynamic support and resistance because they move with the price action. They're not static. And these moving averages, they will be according to the parameters you give them. Okay, you could have a 20 moving average, a 50, 100, 200, 300, or anything in between. And you will find that as the price moves, your moving average will move with the price based on the parameters you have given it. Let's take, for example, you have a 100 moving average. Well, that takes the average price from the last 100 time periods. So if you're looking at a D1 or a 1-day chart and using a 100 moving average, it would be taking the average price from the last 100 days. But if you were looking at the 1-hour chart and using a 100 moving average, it would be taking the average price from the last 100 hours or 100 candles. Most people use candlestick charts. Okay, so they are not called day moving averages. The number is based on the time period that you're looking at, the chart that you're looking at. Okay, so I hope that helps you to understand the basic explanation of what support and resistance are and how important support and resistance are. Support and resistance is all that I use in my trading analysis because they are so important. And it's all that currencies and commodities do, is go from one level to the next level to the next level. So if you like this video, please find the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I make videos quite often, and if this is helpful for you, I appreciate a comment, or if you have any questions, you can email me at rickrayfx@gmail.com, or you can telegram me, that's easier, and my ID is @rickrayfx. Or you can watch me on Facebook. I do live every evening, Thailand time, 7 p.m. to 7:15 p.m., Monday to Friday, an analysis of the charts and what we can expect when the U.S. market opens. Or you can line me on my line ID, Rick Ray, or my website where I have additional information about courses and strategies and other things, www.rickrayfx.com. So thank you very much for watching this. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.